everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger. Of course, you know these cars are one of a kind, not really seen much on the road, just like every other classic car. The one we have here featuring a full-on orange exterior, mostly I believe called the Mango Orange exterior, featuring a blacked out satin hood along with the satin stripe coming along the back. Its body and performance really does handle well, especially for this kind of car. You used to see this a lot on the track. Coming with the wheels with the 5-spoke magnums on it, beefy tires on it to get a little bit of grip on the pavement. You got a single mirror here on the driver's side, which is really all you needed back in the day. Anyways, you move on to the inside, you can see it is a 4-speed manual with the bench seat. Definitely a plus because you always can fit more in a bench seat than you could two people in buckets. As for the back seat, in very good condition too, with its fine vinyl material. Still got the 3-spoke wooden wheel, or the black wheel with the horn. Got a little tack on the steering column as well to show what RPMs you are running. 2 aftermarket gauges on the lower side to show you more accuracy than your old school cluster lights. There is no radio, but of course with a car like this, you really don't need a radio. You just need the sound of the engine beeping away, which is what we're going to tell you right now. It is a 440 motor beefed up to a 512. The consignor told me a personal story about how this car was a special restoration. As you can see in the pictures in the back of the book, you will see all the pictures of the body, the engine, all the cool stuff that was put into this car to make it what it is now. In fact, the crazy thing he told me about this car is that it has an 800 CFM carburetor, which pretty much means if you pump it more than once, you are going to flood the heck out of it. But more importantly, there is a special little MSD box on the passenger inner well, which not only helps the car, but of course doesn't damage the starter when you turn it over. Unlike most of your cars, your teeth from the flywheel are catching on the starter. But there's a lot of cool things about this car that it makes it so special. And even though a lot of people don't see the specialty in a Dodge Dart, this one is a one-of-a-kind restoration. But as for now, we are just going to get it turned around up on the lift. So we hope you have fun watching the driving video, and we'll see you up on the lift.